Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I am doing a video on the KEETEC BS810LCD 8-sensor front and rear parking sensor kit. And I'm going to make parking sensors exciting again because I am pretty pumped about this product. I'm happy that we carry it here at Lockdown Security. It's a new front and rear 8-sensor parking sensor kit that we carry from KEETEC. And when I say front and rear, I mean, as you can see on the picture in the box, it gives you 4 sensors for the front of your vehicle, 4 sensors for the rear of your vehicle, and then a very large screen display which has an icon of a vehicle and will show you essentially if you have an obstacle being sensed on the front or the rear of the vehicle while you're parking. So I've got it set up here on my test bench so that you can see exactly what the display looks like. I've got one sensor plugged into the module control box. As you can see, it's got an 8-sensor input. I don't know if I have the sensor plugged into the front or the rear input. I've got to read the manual. So you'll see if I wave my hand here, you'll see that icon on the back changes. You'll see it verbally said to stop and a big red light came up. So if I were to do this,
0.5, 0.4, 0.3, stop.
And essentially what you're seeing is there's my hand.
0.5, 0.4, 0.3, stop.
So what's cool about this kit is that when everything is good and there's no obstacles in your way, the display is blue. But when there is something that's an obstacle, it goes red. And it obviously has the audible buzzer and it has a verbal warning alert, which is really cool. I have not had another parking sensor kit in our product portfolio that does that. And this, as I mentioned, is a true front and rear kit with 4 sensors in the front, 4 sensors in the rear. I'll just show you the sensor here. It's a matte finish. These are the sensors being held up by the extension cables that come in the kit. So it does come with weatherproof extension cables for the front as well as for the rear. It comes with zip ties in the package. And what's cool about this kit is this. It comes with these grommets and these spacers, these adapters. So if you need to angle the sensors in any way, it's got adhesive for the control box. Here is the box of sensors. It is available with different color sensors. Currently, we're only going to be carrying this kit in the matte black finish. The sensors are paintable, so if you did want to paint them, you can. Or, as you can see here, the sensors are available in different colors. They say that there is up to 80 colors available. As mentioned, though, at Lockdown, we're only carrying the black color sensors at this time. That's the box right there. That's the control box. And if you're wondering, it does have serviceable weatherproof connectors for each sensor. So if a sensor were to fail, they are replaceable. So you don't have to replace the entire kit. It's got very robust wiring, very nice connectors, which is very important. We've done lots of parking sensor kits where unfortunately the connectors are not that solid. It's got very good documentation that comes in the kit. So if you wanted to do the install yourself, you could. It's got a hole saw in the kit. So if you need to drill the holes for the sensors, which you will have that as well. Here is a close-up of the sensor. You can see it's pretty cool. It's got those rubber spacers. So you drill the hole and it's got a pressure fit. And essentially you'll see I have it pointed at myself right now. So
0.3, stop.
very sensitive and quite impressive. I am very happy with this kit. You'll see I have the sensor just laying that way. So that's why it's beeping. I'll just hold the sensor here. And I'm really, really impressed with this display. The display has a volume button, so you can turn the volume up or down, and it's on a pivoting bracket, so you can mount this basically either on top of your dash or under your dash. The display is a little bit large, but to be honest with you, I like it. I like the large screen display. You know, this is a safety system, so it's one of those things where it's key that you get the biggest and brightest display to tell you what's happening. I'm just going to pick up the display to show you what's behind this. So that's essentially what the display looks like. Double-sided tape on the bottom, and then like I said, it's on a ball socket. So you could even do a custom mount with this. It'd be pretty cool to see this custom integrated in a dash. Regardless though, it does come with the pedestal, so it can mount like that. So if you were someone you know is looking to add parking sensors to your vehicle, we have this kit available in a 4-sensor rear only kit, as well as this front and rear 8-sensor kit. I think this is one of the best parking sensor kits on the market. I know parking sensors are not that exciting, but I can tell you this, if you have a vehicle that does not have parking sensors and you live in a city or an urban environment where you're parallel parking or you do a lot of parking in tight spaces, having a parking sensor is key. And like I said, this product makes parking sensors exciting again. So exciting, I would actually go out and buy this kit for my own vehicle because it's pretty cool and I really like it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like this product too. We'll include a link to it on our website down below in the description. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. KEETEC BS810LCD, now at Lockdown Security. This is Jeff at Lockdown signing out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.